Industrial waste is pure chaos. Here's how AI is forging that chaos into a high-precision, high-value asset. This is what we call the industrial blind spot. It's where invisible toxins can poison the entire supply chain.
You can't tell the difference just by looking. Clean wood, treated wood, they look the same. It's a huge risk.
And that risk isn't cheap. We're talking a projected $60 per ton penalty in Ontario. So, the answer? Put the intelligence right at the source. Give the system its own brain, right on site. At its core is a Google Pixel 10 Pro. Think of it as a rugged server, powered by the Tensor G5 chip. And this is where it gets really smart. It hears demolition and immediately overrides its own visual analysis. That's the precautionary principle, coded right in. Any hint of demolition, and the load gets flagged instantly. This all runs on a 5-layer software stack that manages everything from intake to final validation.
Now, flagged loads aren't just thrown out. They're sent to a special biomass hub for a deeper look.
At the hub, advanced sensors like XRF get the real story, the actual chemical ground truth. And these aren't just random numbers. The whole system is based on Ontario's strict Regulation 347. So if arsenic is over this tiny limit, boom, the load is flagged as hazardous. No questions asked. Same goes for chromium. This creates a perfect, auditable digital record for every single load. All this data from the field, it feeds a powerful cloud engine on Vertex AI, creating a constant learning loop. Using AlloyDB AI, it's matching regulatory profiles 10 times faster and even triggers its own retraining. For example, if snow covers the wood, the system sees that data drift and retrains itself automatically. This whole process creates a digital refinery. It turns that chaotic waste into a high-precision product. The end result? A high-grade feedstock engineered to meet super strict bioeconomy standards. Okay, so why is this such a big deal? It completely flips the financial model for waste on its head. You start here, with a $60 per ton penalty for waste that isn't diverted. But by digitally refining that wood, you turn that cost into a brand new asset, carbon credits.
So you go from paying a penalty to actually generating new green revenue. It's a total reversal.
You know, this is more than just about wood. It's a blueprint. What happens when every waste stream becomes this smart?